First at 5, a Tulsa COVID-19 patient who was critically ill over the weekend is now recovering.
She's one of the first people to get an infusion of plasma from a patient who had already recovered from the virus. News on 6's Emery Bryan has that story for us from Ascension St. John.
Curtis Barone knows he's fortunate. He's a survivor of COVID-19, now fully recovered and considered immune. He was the first person in Oklahoma diagnosed with the disease, and he did not pass it to anyone else.
Yes, I was patient 0, but no, I don't have a tree from me, which is good to know.
Barone was diagnosed March 1st, just after returning from a trip to Italy. He works from home, so he was already isolated and thought he was coming down with the flu.
We weren't expecting that because I wasn't showing any of the symptoms. I never even lost my sense of taste or smell. So if you look at the 5 that they talk about, all I had was the fever.
Now Barone is part of a clinical trial using plasma collected by the American Red Cross. Physicians at Ascension St. John infused his plasma into a critically ill patient last Saturday. By Monday, the patient was off a ventilator.
It's reasonable to be cautiously optimistic and to have a sense that at least some benefit will accrue from this treatment.
Barone asked to donate, hoping to help, and he's encouraged his donation might have saved the life of another COVID-19 patient.
I have full expectation that, yes, she is on the road to recovery and she will go home.
The hospital hopes to get several other patients into the trial and use plasma as a treatment while a vaccine is under development. And Ascension St. John is hoping to add more patients to that. Meanwhile, the American Red Cross is looking for more donors from recovered COVID-19 patients, hoping they can donate plasma and continue these clinical trials. In Tulsa, Emery Bryan, Oklahoma's own News on 6.